Imagine doubling your sales response rates and generating 1,432 qualified leads in just 30 days. Apollo.io has transformed into a B2B sales powerhouse, trusted by over 500,000 companies worldwide. Sales teams spend about 13 hours each week sending messages, but only get replies from 2% of them. Apollo.io can help double these response rates with its powerful lead generation platform. The platform gives you access to 210 million verified B2B contacts and 35 million companies. It combines automated emails with LinkedIn outreach and cold calling to streamline your sales process. Apollo.io works great for both startups and enterprises, with plans ranging from free to professional options. Want to know how I got 1,432 qualified leads in just 30 days using this platform? My journey with Apollo.io started with setting up the AI Content Center for tailored outreach. I added vital company details, product benefits, and customer problems to the content center. Creating high-converting search sequences was key, mixing automated emails, phone calls, and LinkedIn tasks. Automation workflows included automated prospecting activities, task scheduling, and contact updates. Immediate notifications through Slack integration kept us on top of our game. Apollo's AI tools made prospect research easier and helped write better emails, cutting down manual work. By watching engagement metrics closely and tweaking sequences, we kept healthy deliverability rates. Our analysis showed that proper lead scoring and focus on qualified prospects produced better results. The campaign reached 200 to 500 emails per sales representative each day, booking 10 to 20 meetings monthly. Apollo.io's lead scoring system identified premium prospects, improving conversion rates by 30%. Proper CRM integration maximized Apollo.io's capabilities, improving sales team performance by 29%. The platform's data accuracy and 5-step verification process kept contact information current. Apollo.io tackles common sales problems, helping teams double response rates and spend less time on manual prospecting.